Hey guys, look what came in the mail from me straight from Amazon. And look at that, isn't that nice? It has my logo on it. I didn't even know you could do that on safety vests. And guess what? With the reflective tape and the bright yellow color, be sure I'll be safe on the streets. Now, my second thing I like about this is, guess what? It comes in big boy sizes. See? Zip this up. You're ready to go outside and work and not have to worry about people running into you or being, you know, I'll give you a nice, real nice. Look at, so look at this. It has all that nice reflection tape, so if you have to work at night, this is the outfit for you, whether you're doing security or construction work or lawn care, whatever it be. And you get the logo on the front. What a pretty logo, huh? And the logo on the back. And it's a breathable mesh material, so you're not sweating too much. Tell you what, this is a recommended buy because I couldn't find these from any of the printers I have down here. So big thumbs up. Thanks for whatever brand sent this to me. Appreciate it.